Today we've got a Renault Captur. It's a 2014 model. It's got 68,000 miles on the clock and is fitted with the 1.5 diesel engine. If you've got a spanner light on or a service soon warning, I'm not 100% sure what comes up on these. I believe it's the spanner down the bottom here. Otherwise there will be a message in this digital display. I'm going to run through the procedure on how to reset that after having a service. Right, so I'm going to put the key card in, ignition on, which is just a push button by the key card. So using these two buttons on the end, I'm going to cycle through the menu up here. Service intervals, and now using the other button, you can use whichever one you like to cycle through, but just make sure you use the opposite one to the one you've been using. Hold it in, and now it's gone into the service menu. So release that button and you can cycle through that. You can see I've already reset it. Service in 12 months. Oil change in 24 months. But you just go to whichever one you want, cycling through using one of those two buttons on the end of the stalk, and then use the other one, press it, hold it down, keep holding it down until the message starts flashing. Just keep holding it down until it stops like that. Take your finger off the button and that's it, reset for another 12 months.